Okay. Okay, gonna start off with, here we go, a T10H, and that is the one with the security pin pull out a little bit of rubber. Right, in there is a T10 screw. So put your T10 in there. And unscrew it. So what we're going to do is, this is a 60 gig console, and I'm going to fix the yellow light of death. So I'll just show you what we'll do first. First things first, unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long screws, 1 short screw, 2 little screws. Undo them. With a PS3 60 gig, it has memory cards there, so you've got to be careful when opening it up. And you open it like a car bonnet, CD section at the front. Up here, card readers. So you just unclip that, and the top piece comes out. Nice and easy. Okay, next thing to do, this here, Blu-ray drive, pop. Pop. Yeah. So, yeah, you unclip this and this, and Blu-ray drive pops out all nicely. Next thing to do, power supply. Once again, nice and easy. Unclip here. Unclip there. Unclip here. And then it just pops out. Like that. Oh yeah, they tape that on there, don't they? So that pops out. Power supply out. Next bit. Just up here is the on and off switch. You actually just pull that and it pops out straight away. Right. And then it's two, and its little metal piece comes off for the switch. And then over here, where the power supply was, the earth cable. Undo that. It's got a little washer on it. Keep hold of that. Need that. There's a little flap here. There. And that comes out. It's the card reader. That's all undone. This one's a different size, just here. It goes right down and through. Remember that when you're putting it back together again. Let's see, it's bigger. where the hard drive is, just here. You can use your fingernail, just pop that off there, piece of plastic. Okay, so blue screw holding the hard drive in, take that out. And then the hard drive pops out. Just that. PlayStation will nicely pop out and you'll probably find lots of dirt. Let's have a look how dirty this one is. Yeah, it's not too bad. Alright, if you turn it upside down, you can pop those bits of plastic at the bottom. And just that, and there, and that comes off. Just the back of it. Look at that. Now you need to take off these. These will hold everything together. Pull out a cable there and grab your fan and pull off the fan. You'll get a tiny screwdriver. There's two just there. Only two things keeping this thing together right now. Okay, and don't forget now, just here, there's a little battery backup thingy. Yeah. So it rotates anti-clockwise, little green bit. So over there. And what's going to happen is there's a cable for the card reader. It's going to pop out just here. See that? Little card reader just there. There's the cable. Come back to that later. So, top piece, get rid of that. And now this bit, which is going to be nicely welded closed with dirt and crap. But it does just, once you get your fingers in between it. Oh. There you go. Okay. Get something metal. And lie it nice and flat. So just get that in shot for you. Get yourself some surgical wipes, alcoholic wipes. Clean the chips. All clean. Right, what you're going to need to get is a heat gun for taking paint off the walls and stuff. I borrowed this off a friend. I still haven't given it back because I've been having so much fun doing this. First things first, I recommend have the two ports down here that are sticking up, the USBs, towards you. I'm just going to do it the way I've been doing it constantly now. First things first, you want to turn it over. Turn it over and turn up the heat. Okay, that is as long as you need to do it. And what you do now is leave it for 15 minutes to cool down. Right, back. 15 minutes have gone. It hasn't moved. Everything should now, yeah, it's all cold, everything's settled, and if everything's gone right, it's now re-welded itself. So what you do is get some heatsink. I've got some royal grease, it's called.
What did he say?
Good stuff. I like to put an X on it, like an Xbox. Right, so get stuff out. And then you spread it out. Now it's basically backwards everything you've just done. So